Today we are going to talk about a challenge that many students and programmers are facing right now. Java has remained one of the most important programming languages in the software industry for many years. At the same time, generative artificial intelligence is rapidly changing how developers write code, test applications, and solve complex programming problems. But many learners still do not know how these two powerful areas can be combined together effectively. Some students learn Java separately, and others explore artificial intelligence tools separately. Because of this, they often miss the opportunity to understand how generative AI can actually support modern programming workflows. That is why learning Java together with generative AI concepts is becoming increasingly important. For anyone preparing for careers in software development, automation, backend engineering, or intelligent application design. One useful learning resource designed for this purpose is the book Java for Programmers with Generative AI, published by Addison Wesley Professional. This book introduces Java programming in a structured way, while also showing how generative AI tools can support developers during coding, debugging, and application development tasks. It helps readers understand not only how to write Java programs, but also how modern AI-assisted development environments are changing the programming process. Another important advantage of this book is that it explains fundamental programming concepts step by step. Readers learn about variables, control structures, object-oriented programming principles, and software development techniques using Java in a clear and practical manner. Along with these foundations, the book also explores how generative AI tools can assist programmers in writing code faster, improving productivity, and understanding programming logic more efficiently. This combination makes it especially useful for beginners who want to start programming with modern development support tools. The book also includes practical examples and exercises that help learners apply concepts directly while building confidence in writing real programs. Instead of only focusing on theory, it encourages readers to develop problem-solving skills through hands-on learning. Another strong feature of this resource is its focus on object-oriented programming techniques, which are essential for building professional-level software systems. Understanding these concepts helps learners prepare for real-world software development environments. Because Java continues to be widely used in enterprise applications, backend systems, Android development, and cloud-based platforms, learning Java along with modern AI-assisted development approaches can create strong career opportunities for students and professionals. This makes the book useful not only for computer science students, but also for beginners from non-IT backgrounds who want to enter software development with a structured learning approach. So, if you are planning to start learning Java programming while also understanding how generative AI is transforming modern coding workflows, learning through a structured technical resource like this book can make your learning journey clearer and more effective. You can check the link in the description to get this book from the Addison Wesley Professional publication website. Take care and subscribe to keep learning. See you in another video.